afternoon. This is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group. I want to introduce you to 3750 Latchland in the beautiful Century Farm neighborhood. This is a single level with bonus room up. Features 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. That's right, 3.5 baths. It's on a corner lot, close to the YMCA, the elementary school, and I believe there's a little medical facility in there as well, close to the community parks. This is east facing, which is probably one of the most desirable orientations of a home. So the snow will melt off your driveway faster, you'll get shade in the afternoon on the back porch, and you've got this very neutral colors on the front of the home, a nice partially covered front entry, 3-car garage with nice tall garage doors accented with the glass upper windows for privacy but natural light. You'll also notice the property is fully fenced, fully landscaped. It's got the extended concrete here in the front, nice wide driveway, and beautiful, well manicured street. Tons of walking paths in this neighborhood, swimming pools, and of course the YMCA also features, I believe it has a pool coming or is here soon. So as we walk up to the front, you'll notice the lava chip bark out here, accent stone, full rain gutter system here. That also has the extensions going out, takes it out to the street area, I believe, or the bubblers out there. And again, just tons of sidewalks to walk the neighborhood. Birds chirping, it's early spring, everything's blooming, it's just gorgeous. So we walk up to the front, pardon the shoes there, we've got a photographer inside right now, professional, unlike me. Nice tall door, we've got the side windows, can lighting out here, another outlet here, which is nice. And as we head into the property, hopefully I don't interrupt our photographer, the first thing you'll notice are the stunning oak floors. And as you open the door, it opens nice and wide, beautiful front entry, architectural design ceilings here, 9 feet. I love the fact that when you open the door, you have a real designated entryway, rather than, you get a pizza delivered and the people are basically sitting on your couch. So off to the right, this has a split floor plan. So it's fantastic that off to the right we have 2 bedrooms and the two-tone paint, kind of an agreeable gray color here with the white trim. 10-foot ceilings in here. Huge window, custom blinds. I ordered up some beautiful skies for you today. Some nice millwork done here. Slider closet. Very neutral, kind of grayish brown carpet here would go with any color that you accent decorate with. Again, my favorite flooring, just the beautiful oak floors. Notice the beautiful transitions here, nice and smooth. Also my colorful socks. Vinyl flooring in here, the raised vanity, kind of a miniature subway tile backsplash, very cute. Nice oversized mirror in here as well. Kind of this stainless steel colored or nickel colored light fixture and hardware in here. You have the insert tub. Kind of a cool style insert here where you've got the pockets to put your shampoo and stuff. And then you've got the rain glass in here, which gives you privacy but natural light. And additional can lighting there. The next bedroom, also just tons of linen closets, additional space here. Fantastic. And then as we go into this bedroom, it's on the south side of the home. You've got room for a bed, a chair, you've got your bookcases, flat panel electrical here. Lots of outlets in the home as well. And your sliders, those are convenient as far as they don't take up very much space versus doors that come out and kind of block things a little bit. So as we head down the hallway here, off to our immediate left, we have the mudroom. So designated off of the garage, hang your coats, put your shoes, and a very private and quiet laundry room. This has the pocket door here. So as you're sitting in there watching TV or enjoying yourselves in the kitchen, having dinner, you can run the laundry and not have it disturbing you. And beautiful upper cabinets. This house was built by one of the best builders in Idaho, Brighton Homes. Has the very elegant flooring in here and a huge, cool folding table, area to hang your clothes. Just really well done. So that's pretty nice. We'll head out to the garage now. So again, I don't have any lights on, and you can see how nice and bright it is out here already. I don't even need to turn on the lights, but you'll notice you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights out here. Can you throw on that switch for me, hopefully? That's not on. You've got nice deep garage here. Plenty of room for any size car or truck. This house was built in 17. It's got a York furnace. Has the 50-gallon water heater, and it also has, they call it a man door in Idaho. This goes out to the back, and also notice that this is textured out here as well, which a lot of the builders don't do that. They'll just drywall it, tape it, call it a day. Got both openers installed. It's a nice tall garage, so if you wanted to do some drop storage, you can. As you can tell, there's room for a freezer chest out here. You could do a couple side-by-sides, whatever you want to do. Now let's go back into the house to my favorite part. Okay, so we'll leave the laundry and garage area. We're back in the main hallway, and we're walking into my favorite part of the house. This is awesome. This giant kitchen, wide open, 10-foot ceilings in here. Beautiful view. You can see that through there. Really nice window size. You've got the gas fireplace in here with built-in shelves, room for the TV, some cabinets, gas fireplace as I mentioned. And I love the designation in the flooring that they've got the carpeted area over here, but all your main walking areas are the hardwood floors, which just maintains your carpet. You've got the breakfast bar area here with seating. You can actually push your chairs under there. There's also additional storage under there. You have the quartz countertops, great color too, because as far as quartz and granite go, the lighter the color, the less mess you actually see. When you go with the darker ones, it has water staining and you can see the food or stuff a little bit more. So this just stays cleaner looking. Tons of recessed can lighting throughout this house, just gives it that nice light and bright feel. You have the drop pendant lighting in here, the nice deep sink stainless steel. You have the Bosch dishwasher. And the Bosch gas range over here as well. Full tile backsplash, lots of outlets, and they're nice and high, kind of out of the view, which was a really smart thing that the builder did on these. Usually you have them stuck right here, and half the time they're a little bit wonky. So this is well done. You have the crown molding and the offset style cabinetry here, which just gives it more of a flow to it and looks nice. Little decorator style breakfast coffee bar area over here. And notice the nice stainless steel poles on these too. Plenty of space for your refrigerator without it impeding your walking space. Another outlet on the side of the island here. You have the Bosch double oven here and microwave. And you can see yours truly here. Hello. And then we have the pantry that has another kind of coffee bar area over here, or whatever you want to use it for. And I love the fact that they put this window here. Just brings in natural light into the room. Looks amazing. Plenty of space in here. And plenty of cabinet space in this kitchen as well, which I love. So your dining space is light and bright. Again, nice custom blinds in this whole area here. No rear neighbors. And we'll do the outside in a little bit, but it's kind of nice that you have your covered patio out here with a partial mountain view. Great for entertaining. And the wrought iron fencing out here is fantastic because you just feel more open, not all closed in. Pretty mature trees back there. And in this room, you can tell you've got room for any size furniture. You could do a big U shape, a right return, or left return, whatever you want to do. Current owners have it very elegant and looks great. Okay, we'll head over here. Your guest bathroom over here. Again, it's a 3.5 bath, but here's a little half bath over here with the pedestal sink and the toilets behind the door. And the master bedroom's over here, but I'm gonna take you up to the bonus room first, which is up these stairs. And as you can tell, you shouldn't have any problem getting your furniture up these stairs, which is a nice feature. Notice the wood trim going up the stairs. It's a great feature there. I wish you could feel this carpet. It's nice and plush. Nice wood rail here. Now I love this room. They've got 9-foot ceilings in here. You have kind of a Sun Valley type of texturing up here. Notice that it's nice and tall, and to right here is at least close to 6 feet in height, and that's great, so you can have an entertainment center or whatever you want. They have the natural light coming in with blinds if you want to use them in both of these locations. More recessed can lighting in here. This is off the front of the home. You could use this as a bonus room because there is a full bath up here, a rec room, theater room, pretty much whatever you want to do. There is a closet here. And as I said, a full bath. You have that very elegant vinyl flooring in here. Raised vanity. Same miniature subway tiles that we saw downstairs. Again, just tons of lighting. Fantastic. Usually, most builders would just put one light there and that would be the end of it. And then you have a shower tub combo here. Okay, so we just left the amazing bonus room. Again, they've been able to use it as kind of a separate family room, office, music room, all of the above. It can be a guest bedroom. We come down the stairs. Again, we have the bathroom here. And now we're going to take you into the master bedroom. And the first thing you'll notice is just the great big windows. It's fantastic. Partial view of the Boise Mountain Range there. You have the recessed accented ceiling in here with the ceiling fan, recessed can lighting, transom windows, so just light and bright. It's kind of the perfect size bedroom. That's a king size bed, and you can see that there's still plenty of room there. Room for a chair, your dressers, whatever you want. Room to put a TV here if you wanted to, or more artwork. It's got the crown type of molding up there in that recessed ceiling area there. Beautiful blinds. We've got a pocket door to the bathroom for privacy. So again, right here. And we've got this kind of distressed barnwood type vinyl flooring in here, or tiled flooring I should say. And you've got the raised vanity with dual sinks, nice tile backsplash, huge mirror, 9-foot ceilings, and then you've just got this gorgeous soaker tub here. And it's smart where they put the faucet too. A lot of them, they'll put them right here, and it makes it very difficult to actually enter your bathtub. And then you've got the frosted glass here, huge window, more lighting. I'm going to give you a close-up of this awesome flooring here. That's actual tile here. And then you've got more kind of a linen closet there. The private commode area with yet another window, frosted glass. And then you have this beautiful walk-in shower with the full tile, floor to ceiling, with the river rock flooring in there. And of course, another window with frosted glass there. Outside of that, we walk into the master. Beautiful transitions throughout the house on the flooring. There's no big lips anywhere to trip on. And you have this very spacious closet with lots of built-ins, plenty of space. Just a great closet area. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to take you out through the beautiful glass door out to the backyard. And again, you've got the covered patio out here, extended concrete, beautiful place to entertain. Again, this is east facing. So as you can see, you've got the mountains in the background. It's the Boise Mountain Range, and you can also see out that way. You've got the elementary school behind the house here, also the YMCA right around, attached to it actually. Beautifully landscaped. No pets in the house, by the way. Side yard area. Some rose bushes, some mature trees, some evergreens. Sorry, it's super windy out here today. Fully fenced. And there's also some garden boxes over here. Very low maintenance yards. I like it when a builder pays attention to detail and even has guards over their vents. Keeps rock and debris from going in your crawl space and blocking your natural ventilation. You have a spigot over here on the side of the house, extended rain gutters. The garden boxes do stay. Seems like everybody I know here in Idaho gardens. That's a nice feature. You have the vented eaves. Again, the full gutter system. Nice big air conditioner here if it's a York. And then you've got your command door that I mentioned earlier. Gates on both sides. Thank you for touring this house with me. This is Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. Let me know if you have any questions or have your agent contact me, 208-340-0000. Thank you. Have a great day.